What if I told you that your dream job in Dubai could start with Emirates? Yes, you heard it right. Emirates, one of the world's leading airlines, is opening new career opportunities as the company continues to expand its team and prepare for the future of aviation. The airline is looking for skilled aviation professionals, especially aircraft engineers and technical experts, through global recruitment events across different countries. This recruitment drive is giving talented people a chance to join one of the most respected airlines in the world. For many people, working with Emirates is not just a job opportunity. It is a dream to become a part of Dubai's success story. Emirates is known globally for its modern aircraft, advanced technology, luxury travel experience, and world-class customer service. Every year, millions of passengers travel with Emirates, making it one of the most recognized names in the aviation industry. As Dubai continues to grow as one of the world's biggest travel and business hubs, the aviation sector is also expanding rapidly. With new aircraft, growing routes, and increasing passenger demand, Emirates is focusing on building a stronger team for the future. These new opportunities will help skilled professionals grow their careers while becoming part of a company that connects people and countries around the world. Dubai has always attracted talent from different parts of the world, and this recruitment drive is another example of how the city continues to create global opportunities. For aviation engineers and professionals who have experience, skills, and a passion for aircraft, this could be a major career opportunity. So if you have always dreamed of working in Dubai's aviation industry, this could be your chance. A chance to learn, grow, and take your career higher with Emirates.